Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by launching the camera app and switching to video, then enable action mode with the stabilization icon so the phone prioritizes smooth footage. Make sure you hold the iPhone 14 with both hands and brace your arms to reduce wobble. If you plan to move, select 1/2 to full speed walking pace and keep the subject centered. Once done, tap record immediately to let the stabilizer build its tracking baseline before intense motion starts. This prepares the software to compensate effectively. Once recording, use action mode's wider lens and avoid digital zoom because cropping reduces stabilization headroom. Choose a 2x stabilization trade-off if available for the balance between crop and smoothness. Move with controlled, short strides, bend your knees and pivot with your hips to absorb shock. Make sure to keep the subject centered in the frame so the algorithm can lock on and predict motion. If lighting changes, the iPhone will adjust exposure. Gently avoid abrupt framing shifts to maintain consistent stabilization performance. To finish, stop recording a beat after your motion ends so action mode can settle the final frames and reduce jitter in export. When exporting, keep the original resolution and avoid aggressive cropping or third-party restabilizers that can introduce artifacts. You want the iPhone's native processing to carry through. If you still see wobble, make sure lighting is adequate. Try a slower, more consistent walk, or force close and reopen camera to reset the stabilization calibration. Then retake the shot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.